Hello everyone. Today I am going to start with Uipath basics. That is, what is Uipath and what are the components in Uipath and background of Uipath and Uipath RPA architecture. Before going to understand what is Uipath, let us understand what is RPA. Solution for RPA. A robotic process automation which mimics the human actions by performing the processes in sequential manner with meaningful activities without any human interactions. All together combined is called as a robotic process automation. In order to find a solution for that process to run in meaningful activities, we come up with a Uipath tool. It is a software tool to perform that activities. Uipath means user interface path. Let's understand the brief history about Uipath. Uipath, founded by Daniel Dines and is also called as boss of bots. Due to his tremendous efforts in Uipath and services in Uipath, he is called as the boss of bots. He given the nickname as boss of bots. He founded the Uipath in 2005 and launched the Uipath in 2015. He took 10 years of time span to develop Uipath. The first stable version of Uipath came up in 2017. If anyone asks you what is the first stable version of Uipath, in which year the first stable version of Uipath came up, you can tell them it is come up in 2017. Now the latest version of Uipath is the latest version of Uipath is 2022.4.4. This is the latest version of Uipath at present. For every quarter release, they will come up with new features. For every quarter, they will come up with new features in Uipath. They will release new versions. After understanding about Uipath history, now we'll come to know the versions of in Uipath. We have two versions. Uipath has given us two versions. One is community version and other one is enterprise version. Community version is always a free version where you can develop the bots and perform the bots. It is a free software tool. It is a lifetime free. No need to pay any penny for this community version. It is a free edition for students and those who want to learn Uipath. They can use community version. Enterprise version, you need to pay for Uipath Studio Enterprise, or you can take a free 60 days trial period. Either you need to pay for Uipath to get the license, the version that is enterprise version, or you can use 60 days trial period. Basically, it is used for business firms. It is used by business firms to perform these business actions. Now we will understand what are the Uipath components. There are three components. Basically, there are two components, that is Uipath Studio and Uipath Architecture. In total, there are three components: Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator. Uipath Studio is which enables us to develop the automation design workflow in the Uipath Studio. Here Uipath Robot means we will execute the robots by using Uipath Robot. As Uipath Orchestrator is the managing tool like the control panel in our Windows operating system. We have a control panel. In the same manner, Orchestrator is a control panel to control the bots and deploy to manage the bots and to monitor the bots. And we also uh, we also do queue management, and we will execute the bots in an unattended mode, and we will trigger the bots in Orchestrator. Overall, it is also the control panel like Windows operating system. Now we will understand what is RPA Uipath architecture. Uipath architecture has three layers: client layer, server layer, and persistency layer. In client layer, it contains Uipath Robot and Uipath Studio. Uipath Studio, we have already told about Uipath Studio. We will design the bot by performing by using drop and drag and drop activities. And Uipath is where we will execute the bots. Uipath agent service, it contains two elements. Again, in this client layer, Uipath Robot has two elements: Uipath agent service and Uipath executor service. Agent service contains the uh, um, what we call bots, how many bots are there, and executor service execute the bots by performing the task. Execute the given task in executor service. Here contains the list of bots available in this service. Basically, it contains two elements in client layer, robot and Uipath Studio. Now, after developing the robot, once the robot is ready, it will be uploaded into the orchestrator, which is the server layer. From server layer or Uipath orchestrator, the bots will be uploaded into the orchestrator. There will be several machines, several pieces which will run the bots. And I already told about orchestrator that it will manage the bots and schedule the bots as well. The third most layer is persistency layer. It has database which contains the queues, which has queues and the items in the queues. This is about persistency layer. This is the layer of Uipath architecture: client layer, server layer, and persistency layer. In the upcoming video, I will tell about we will discuss about Uipath Studio components, like what is Uipath basic. I will open the software, Uipath Community Edition software, and I will show you what is ribbon panel, what is activity panel, and what is property panel and design panel. We will discuss in the upcoming video. Please give like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.